Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about two popular mobile payment apps, Venmo and Cash App. If you're looking for a way to send and receive money quickly and easily, you might be wondering which app is right for you. In this video, I'm going to compare Venmo and Cash App and help you decide which one is the better option. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Venmo and Cash App are. Venmo is a social payment app that lets you send and receive money to friends and family. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services from businesses. Cash App is a mobile banking app that lets you send and receive money, pay bills, and invest in stocks and Bitcoin. Main content. Now that we have a basic understanding of Venmo and Cash App, let's take a closer look at how they compare. Features. Sending and receiving money. Both Venmo and Cash App make it easy to send and receive money to friends and family. You can simply enter the recipient's name or phone number and the amount you want to send. Paying for goods and services. You can also use Venmo and Cash App to pay for goods and services from businesses. Many businesses now accept Venmo and Cash App as payment. Bill pay. Both apps let you pay bills directly from your account. Investing. Cash App also lets you invest in stocks and Bitcoin. Fees. Venmo charges a fee of 3% for transactions made with a credit card. There are no fees for transactions made with a bank account or debit card. Cash App does not charge any fees for sending or receiving money. However, there is a fee of 1.5% for cash withdrawals from an ATM. User experience. Venmo has a clean and easy-to-use interface. It is also very popular, with over 80 million users. Cash App has a more minimalist interface than Venmo. It is also less popular than Venmo, but it is growing in popularity. Overall, both Venmo and Cash App are great options for sending and receiving money. If you are looking for a free and easy-to-use option, Cash App is a good choice. If you are willing to pay a small fee for additional features, Venmo is a good option. I hope this video has helped you decide which mobile payment app is right for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from me. What do you think of Venmo versus Cash App? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video script. Please note that this is just a suggestion, and you can customize it to your own needs.